What's up, guys? It's your girl Drea. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a beginner's makeup tutorial, quick and easy. So now I'm applying my LA Girls Pro Concealer. Yeah, I'm doing it in the shape that I want. You can do it in any shape you want to be honest. So yes, that's what I am doing, and I'll be doing it on both sides. So to make the concealer look, blending a little, I pat it down onto my eyelid so it has this soft look to it. And now I'm doing it to my other eyelid. Oh, and this is for the persons who don't have any primer. I don't use primer, so I use concealer instead of the primer. And now I added the white to the concealer. So this is the exact look that the primer would give, because the primer has different colors, but yeah, I'm using a white eyeshadow to coat the concealer. So as I said before, if you don't have any primer, this is it's a technique you can use. So I just added a orange eyeshadow onto my eyelid, and because I'm dark, I have to use colors that will show on me or fit me rather. And I added another color at the side. I could say it's a burnt orange. So yes, that is what I'm doing now. And now I am adding my foundation, and if you don't have any foundation, you can use concealer that matches your skin tone, that is. When I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I have a tutorial on that, so you can check that out too. Now I use the LA Girls Pro Concealer, the lighter shade, to put it under my eyes because I have bags under my eyes, So yes, that is what I use the concealer to do. Hide the bags, man. And make sure that you blend it out properly. And after I blended my concealer out, I added some powder and I blended that out as well. Here I'm just blending out my eyeshadow because I didn't like how it looked before, so that's what I did. And if you want your eyeshadow to pop too, you can add white under your eyes too. And now I'm adding the highlight. If you don't have any highlight palette, you can use a sparkly eyeshadow, an eyeshadow that has some kind of or glitter thing. You can add that as well to both your cheeks, under your eyebrows, my chin, my nose, yeah, my forehead. And now I'm using a brown eyeliner to line my lips before I place my lipstick on. So if you don't want the lipstick all over your lips, you line the lipstick first. Line your lips first, sorry, and then place the lipstick on. And now I'm going to add a slow-mo video for you to see how my look turned out. Guys, you can see that the white is under my eyes. I did it off camera because I thought it would give it a better look. So yeah, you can add white under your eyes or use a white eyeliner. I don't have any, so I'll use the eyeshadow. And yes guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you learned something new and I hope you liked my look. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified. Thanks for watching.